Hello everyone, it's your boy Slim. Got a special video for you guys today. Today we're going to be practicing tandems with my homie. Sort of started up actually, over there. We're going to be practicing some tandems today, trying to get some POVs from his car, from my car, teaching you guys some better ways on how to get some good tandems. First thing we're going to do is just go do a practice lap, check out these tires, make sure all the tire pressures are good and stuff. Make sure the car is dialed in too. Do some practice laps and then we'll jump into the tandems. All right, well, it's gonna be interesting. A little warm up here. I just got alignment done, so might feel a little bit different. I got cranked the air pressure up in the front. I think it's at like 50 now. So it's a lot higher. I used to have it really low, thinking that would give me good grip, but it was actually too much when we were doing some tandems here. Just gonna drive around, feel this new alignment. It's driving a lot more straight than she used to. She used to be really leaning to the left. But this is our layout. It goes back over here, and then you figure eight to finish it. But let's get a good warm up, and then I can show you what it's all about. I was doing so good. That's a perfect lap. That felt really good. Honestly, that is probably the best this car has ever felt so far. I might need more tires though. We'll check the tires out here quickly and see how good the tires lasted on that lap. We didn't run them crazy hot, but tires actually held up really good. Like, still plenty of tread in there. They are hot. I think with the added pressure in the front, it's making me slide way easier with the front end. This one's starting to chunk up. I maybe only have one more lap of this one, but I have 3 tires there. I have more at home, and luckily I live really close, so I'm not too worried about it.
Hello everyone, it's Slim, editing the video here. I didn't really introduce a clip into this next segment here, but it's me and my buddy in our V6 Mustangs. He has an angle kit on his, I do not. We both have coilovers obviously, but he has an angle kit, so he's actually chasing me, and I'm still trying to get over the fear of getting chased. But here it is, and then we'll go over some of the factors after it. After this, we kind of broke our lines. He started to go do donuts around the green tire, and I decided to join him. As you guys can see from the clips, there was a couple times where he got really like right on my door, right beside me. But there was the odd times where he was kind of struggling to get right beside my door. It's mainly because my angles weren't always that great. This was our first lap. We were just trying to like figure out how to get as close as we could to each other without messing up our cars. Right here, I wanted to try chasing him, and this was my first time ever trying to be the chase car. We started pretty far apart, but it is, yeah, a whole nother world when you are the chaser, not the one being chased. It's really all about like staying really close to start with, and then seeing where their back tire and the back of their door kind of are, and you want to be right in that sweet spot there. But just watching their angle the whole time, and then if they go wide, you gotta kind of like, if you're far away, like put your nose into it and kind of cut into it a bit more. As us just starting off, I'm just trying to get chased by other people and get used to that fear of having a car right beside me the whole time. Now I'm going to show you guys what it was like going with my buddy in his G35. Now of course I still got a blur to face. We were so close to 1,000 subscribers, so thank you guys so much for all the support lately. Now my buddy's G35 does not have an angle kit, but it does have extended tie rods, so he kind of has a little cheap angle kit going on, so he's still able to get pretty sideways. The only difference here is horsepower and just different vehicles in general. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this really cool camera angle. I'm probably going to be using it more often. Thank you guys so much for all the support lately.
Puddles are hard.
It fucks you up bad.
Yeah, I know, like, sometimes I just have to let go of the steer and kind of let it fix itself.
Yeah.
Now that was my buddy's and I's first lap together, and honestly it went pretty well, especially since, I don't know if you guys could see in the clips, there was puddles still left over from some of the rain that we got before we did that clip. And where we were doing figure eights, we didn't have two spots for tires at the top of figure eight and bottom of figure eight. As you can see in this clip, we have two set of tires. So it makes it a little bit easier to know your route and how far you are away from those tires. And here's me slipping out. Yep. Luckily, every time I do that, my buddies are really good at knowing when I do that, and they don't come crashing into me, because that's the scary part about being a lead car right there, is if you make any mistake, especially when they're right on your door, it usually leads them into crashing into you and you mess up both cars. So that's where tandems can get a bit risky, but honestly this was a great day to learn how to be the person that's leading, and then even just to learn new things about chasing a little bit. You know, my buddies and I were still trying to get better with tandems, and so far from what I've seen from my buddies especially are they're getting a lot better with tandems and a lot more comfortable. And especially when we put more mods on our cars, like honestly the only car that I would consider has the most mods on it and is pretty dialed in is my buddy's green 97 Mustang there. It's got basically all you really need for a drift car, and it's very lightweight right now. Me and my buddy here in this G35, we're slowly building our ways up, but our cars have come a long way, and I'm very excited to see what the future holds for us. Thank you all for watching the video. I hope you guys learned some things. Expect more tandem videos coming out. I have been slacking on uploads recently, so sorry about that. Still a bit early season, and with a lot of things going on with the cars and all of our events, I try my best. Look out for my live streams. Whenever we host events here at our track, I usually do live streams on my TikTok, and I've been starting to do them a lot more on YouTube. So if you guys see them live streaming, it's probably one of our drift events, and you guys can watch it live and ask me questions, and I'll be happy to answer. But anyways, thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for all the support lately. We're so close to our 1,000 marker. I can't wait to bring you guys more exciting content. This year's going to be insane. I have a lot of new ideas, so look forward to those. Thank you all for watching. Peace.